In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Slack. Connecting these two tools is a great way to keep on top of your schedule without constantly switching tabs. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Google Calendar events showing up directly in Slack, and you'll be able to get reminders and updates where your team is already working. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're in the correct workspace. On the left-hand side, look for the option related to administration or workspace settings in the sidebar. This is usually where you manage apps and integrations. Go ahead and click on that admin area so we can access the app settings. Once you're in the admin or settings section, find and click on apps and workflows. This is the central place in Slack where you can discover, install, and manage apps like Google Calendar. Opening this page will show you any apps you already have, plus options to browse for new ones. Next, look for a button or link labeled Browse. Clicking Browse will take you into the Slack app directory for your workspace. This is essentially the marketplace where you can search for and add new integrations. In the search bar that appears, start typing Calendar. As you type, Slack will show you matching apps. You're looking specifically for Google Calendar, which is the official integration from Google. When you see the Google Calendar app in the results, click on it to open its details page. On the Google Calendar app page, you'll see information about what the app can do, such as sending event reminders, letting you see your schedule, and keeping your status in sync. Here, click on the button that says Add to Slack. If you don't see this button, it might mean you don't have permission to install apps, and you'll need to contact a workspace admin to continue. After you click Add to Slack, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to sign in with your Google account, choose which Google Calendar to connect, and grant the necessary permissions so Slack can read your events and send notifications. Take a moment to review the permissions and confirm. Once you've completed those steps, Slack will finish the setup and you'll be ready to use Google Calendar right inside Slack. From there, you can configure reminders, daily summaries, and event notifications so your schedule is always at your fingertips.